Good morning. As you can see, you have a sub today. So in my absence, you are going to be doing a lab, and guess what? You can't get rid of me that easily because here I am. All right, so we're going to do circle lab number 2 today. So circle lab number 1, if you recall, we took a circle, measured the diameter, measured the circumference, divided the diameter by 2 to get radius, and then we plotted the relationship of circumference versus radius. All right, this one we are going to do very similar, except what we're going to look at is we're going to look at radius and area, right? Not circumference this time, right? So how do we find the area of this thing? All right, there's a lot of different things we could do, but the easiest one is to plot the circle on a piece of graph paper and count the number of boxes that the circle covers. All right, so let's do that. So it's going to take me a second here to focus the camera down here onto the graph paper. So here we go. Tip the camera down. Lock in place. Zoom. All right. Now, so I have a piece of graph paper, and I left my pen in the office, so I don't have my pen, but we'll get another one. Here we go. All right. So I'm going to pop this circle right down there. Okay. I'm going to line it up so this edge right there is touching one of my grid marks. And trace around it. Here we go. All right. So now I've traced out a circle. Okay, now we got to find the area of the circle. All right, so I'm going to zoom in just a little bit more. And we need the radius. So our radius is half the diameter. So again, our diameter is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 boxes. So D equals 6. So that gives me a radius equals 3. All right. And now I want the area. So for the area, I'm just going to start counting the boxes. So I can go to there. Let's do these. All right. So what do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 16 right there already. Okay. Now, some of these on the outside, we're just going to have to estimate. This is about 2. All right, this is what, maybe 1, 2, 3. This is maybe through 1, 2, 3. This is probably 4. Maybe another 2. All right, so what do I have? I have 16 plus 4. That's 20, 23, 27. So that's my area. Area equals 27. All right. So that's one of my data points now. Radius of 3, area of 27. After you're done with that, get about 6 of them. Make sure you range from small, right, like we did before, and larger. Boink. All right. So make sure we have a good range of data and plot your graph. You probably won't finish the data, or you should finish the data today, but you probably won't quite get all the graphing done because you have to linearize this one. That's the point of doing this lab, is this lab makes us linearize our data like we learned on Wednesday. So I'm not going to make it due on Monday because I know some of you are still working on the linearization. If you do get done, work on the linearization problems, all right, these guys. Again, this won't be due on Monday either, probably like Tuesday or something. And don't forget, we have a quiz on Tuesday. Hope you guys have a good weekend.